Happy New Year's Eve, everyone. 2024, 2025. Finally got the motor torn apart. And don't mind that, that's just a little wood from the broomstick to remove the pistons. But if you look here on cylinder 8, it's a pretty deep groove. That looks fine. Everything looks pretty good except cylinder 8. There's a deep groove. The rest of them look pretty fine. It's just cylinder 8. I mean, you tell me, I'm not an engine builder. I don't know if this is acceptable. But yeah, pistons are all fine. Here's the main bearings. Number 4 looks a little rough. There's a deep gouge. Here's the rest of them. That looks fine. One thing I did notice, on this last bearing here, on the edge, we've got some deep wear. So this engine had 100 miles on it, freshly rebuilt. I paid a nice chunk of change to have them build the short block for me to install, and from my last video you guys heard the noise it was making, and I couldn't tell back then if it was a vacuum leak or something rattling or detonation. And after doing the first oil change, I cut open the oil filter and there was what looked like sand in the oil filter. And after showing that to a few of my buddies, they all agreed it needed to be torn apart. So I think this looks okay. I'm not seeing anything that would obviously cause that sound, but regardless of the sound, whether that was detonation from poor timing or whatever it was, maybe something rattling underneath, regardless of that, after the first oil change, having that much material in the filter, it definitely needed to be torn down. And at this point, I can call the guys that redid it or try to find someone else with maybe a little bit cleaner working condition. I don't know. You tell me.